Hello everyone. Operation theatre is the heart of any hospital. For good surgical outcomes, we need clean and germ-free operation theatre. And for the surgeon, it is a second home. Most of the person think that cleaning a room with disinfectants and fumigation are more than sufficient, but this is not true. Airborne germs are considered an important part of surgical infections. They can come through the person working in the operation theatre or from the patients. Aerosol generating procedures also spread contaminations in the theatre. To control the airborne contaminants, operation theatres are equipped with laminar airflow system. It makes a protected zone around the operating area and washes out the contaminants and germs from the working area. This is the system which needs continuous monitoring, and today I will give you a tour of air handling unit system of operation theatre and how to maintain it. Laminar air enters in the OR through HEPA filters from the ceiling and it goes out with the contaminants to the air handling unit or AHU. There are several vents which bring the air to AHU. The vents have a ultraviolet light system to kill the germs at the entry. Now the air reaches the pre-filter area where the fresh air is mixed to create the positive pressure in OR. Air handling units are big in size and they are usually placed at the secured places. This is the heart of the OR. This is the fresh air vent with the microfilters through which the fresh air enters into AHU. There is a mixing of fresh air and circulating air of OR in the pre-filter area. AHUs are different in sizes. It can be placed in open area, but personally I recommend to place it in the secured places, and the area should be cleaned daily with chemicals. Electrical panel should be air cleaned fortnightly and switch it off properly before handling the AHU. This is the pre-filter area. There is a mixing of fresh air and the circulating air of operation theatre in this area. This pre-filter area has macro filters which filters the linen fibers and other major air particles. This chamber should be cleaned monthly with the chemical disinfectant, and the filters must be vacuum cleaned. Fresh air mixing can be adjusted depending upon the amount of positive pressure needed. If we want more positive pressure, we can increase the fresh air entry. If we want to reduce the positive pressure, we can reduce the fresh air entry. Now comes the air conditioning and the blower area. It contains the air conditioning coils and a motor which rotates the blower, which throws the air in the AHU system. Inspect and check the air conditioning coils for deposits and check the strength and the tightness of the belt of the blower. This compartment has heating coils also, which can be used to kill the humidity of the air in case of need. Check the tightness of the belt and always keep one spare belt for emergency. After cleaning the compartment, close it. Next compartment is the filter area after the air conditioning. It again has microfilters which filters and eliminates the remaining air particles present in the air. Inspect the filters for any defects and gaps. These filters can be removed and vacuum cleaned and can be washed under the running water. Remove the cassette outside and check for any defects and any breakage. After removing the filter cassette, check for any defects or any break area, and if you are washing it, then place it in the place after drying. These air filter cassettes must be removed and cleaned every 3 monthly. After cleaning the compartment, place the panel back at the place and secure the latch. Outer surface of the AHU must also be cleaned and all other air vents must be checked for leakage every 3 monthly. AHUs are the heart of operation theatre complex. They need meticulous cleaning and always maintain the date of the next inspection and cleaning. My idea behind bringing this video was to make you all aware about the few facts about the cleaning protocols of air handling unit of a modular operation theatre. Thanks for watching.